Hello my cute little sunflowers. Welcome back to my channel. Want to glow up? Here's a budget-friendly routine for you, but first of all, let me remind you. You are already beautiful. You are already enough. Let's get started. Step 1, skincare reset. Your skin doesn't need 10 fancy products. What it needs is love. Start with a gentle cleanser that doesn't strip your skin. Then hydrate, moisturize, and always finish with sunscreen, no excuses. And please, drink water. Softer and brighter, healthy skin is the base of every glow up. Step to hair love. Now let's talk about your crown, your hair. Apply hair oil before washing your hair. It could be almond oil, coconut oil or olive oil. Wash it out and let it air dry naturally. You'll feel instantly lighter and more put together. Shiny, healthy hair adds so much to your glow without even trying. Step 3, body and energy. Listen bestie, glowing up isn't just about what people say. Move your body a little every day. It could be dancing in your room, stretching, or just taking a walk. Nothing crazy, just movement. And please eat proper meals, colorful fruits, veggies and lots of water. Trust me, when you take care of your body, your energy shifts and people can see that glow. Step 5, mindset glow. Here's the most important step, your mindset. The way you talk to yourself changes everything. Start your mornings with one simple affirmation: I am glowing. I am confident. I am enough. Write down one thing you love about yourself every night. Smile at yourself in the mirror. Even if it feels silly, confidence is the most beautiful glow in our cream. No outfit, no makeup can beat it.
And just like that, sunflowers, 1 week later you're glowing. Not because you became someone else, but because you finally gave yourself the care you deserve. If you're ready for more glow-up journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep shining my sunflowers.